I think this means lunchtime. Swadee What's up guys? Jeffrey from Travel Bites. If you talk about Thai food, there's one menu that we Thai call the lack of imagination because it's like so Thai, so common in Thailand. That's Krapow. Everybody eats it and it's like such a staple, basic food here in Thailand. But this shop that I'm gonna take you to, they got another level, and let's check it out then. So today is like a meeting day and scouting locations for an event. But coming here, I want you guys to see one interesting shop. Okay, we have it now. This is Krapow. Khao Pad Krapow. It's like one of the most common, most basic Thai food. And this, I mean, my mouth watering. Krapow is mostly basil. You can do anything with it. You can do ground pork, sliced like pork ribs or anything, or even seafood. You can do anything with Krapow. The ingredient here is very basic and very simple to make. There's only definitely basil, Krapow, any kind of pork or seafood, chili, garlic, oyster sauce, some salt or some sugar. That's about it. Okay, it's now time to taste this thing. Smell the basil. So refreshing. Okay. Sweet, a little bit spicy, and the basil makes this like little tangy, minty, delicious. So this shop is called Ran Pion. It's at the Puttha Busha Rama 2 Road. This shop is famous for this Krapow menu. You can order any kind of Krapow here. And the amount is massive. Today we are here at Wat O Pa Si. Some interesting things here. The thing that is very different here at Wat O Pa Si is you make merit by fire. This means that instead of the normal offering of flowers and incense, you offer fuel to keep the eternal flame burning. This belief came from the practice of Lom Po O Pa Si, the monk here. The story behind all of this is Lom Po O Pa Si is practicing and teaching about letting go of material items. Back then, when people offered Lom Po O Pa Si different items, he always asked, do you really want to offer or give me this? If the answer is still yes, then he would just burn those items in the flame. Sometimes gold and jewelry were just tossed in the flame to make people understand letting go of material items and being happy from within. Even though Lom Po O Pa Si passed away a long time ago, in appreciation of his teaching, find what really matters to you. Today was kind of a short vlog, and if you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. That helps a lot. See you again here with a couple of videos every single week about food and travel here in Thailand. Have a good day. สวัสดีครับ